Welcome back everyone. In today's super informative video lesson, we are again going to boost our vocabulary. I have 5 advanced words and I'm going to share the meaning, example sentences, situations to use, which you will surely find super informative and useful in IELTS speaking as well as in writing. But before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe. The very first word is ubiquitous. The meaning of this word is present everywhere or appearing or found everywhere. ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो हमेशा हर जगह आपको मौजूद मिले उसके जगह आप ubiquitous यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Don't say commonly found everywhere. You can use this thing is ubiquitous. Situation is use this word when discussing the prevalence of something in modern society, such as technology, social media, or global issues. One good example sentence that you can use in IELTS speaking or writing is, in today's world, smartphones, right? Smartphones have become ubiquitous and you can spot people using them everywhere. Do you also use it everywhere? If yes, why don't you comment it? And you should also comment a sentence and I'll surely correct it. Now, let us go to the second word. And the second word is mitigate. What's the word? Mitigate. इसकी जगह आप alleviate का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. You can use alleviate also instead of this word which is mitigate. इसका मतलब होता है the meaning of this word is to make a situation or its effect less severe or painful. एकदम दर्द कर रहा है, बीमार हो, गोली खाया, ये मारने वाला नहीं, मेडिसिन वाला गोली, and आपका जो दर्द है या सफरिंग है वो कम हो गया, right? It has reduced. Instead of saying reduced, you can use the medicine has mitigated my ailment. And situation आप इसका कहाँ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं? You can use this word when talking about actions or measures taken to reduce the impact or severity of a problem, such as environmental issues, risks, or challenges. One good example sentence is, efforts to alleviate climate change are crucial for the future of our planet. The third word is egregious. Let me pronounce it again, egregious. It means outstandingly bad, shocking or appalling, निहायती घटिया, third class. उसके जगह आप very bad या pathetic मत use करिए. You can use this word which is egregious, right? Situation is use this word when describing a particularly outstanding or blatant example of a negative quality or behavior, often in negative terms, right? कोई भी चीज़ एकदम घटिया हो, फालतू हो, उसके जगह आप क्या यूज़ कर सकते हैं पता है? Egregious. Don't say very bad or terrible. This is a better word, right? And it surely can enhance the quality of your sentence. Now, one good example sentence is, the company's flagrant disregard for safety regulations resulted in a major industrial accident, right? Or the company's egregious disregard for safety regulations resulted in a major industrial accident. Now, let's go to the next word, which is mitigate. जो alleviate का जुड़वा भाई है, right? It's the twin of alleviate. And the sentence situation, जैसा मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, use this word when discussing how something can make a difficult situation or problem less severe for severe like poverty, pain or suffering, right? जब भी कोई बहुत ही difficult situation हो और उस चीज़ को हम लोग reduce करना चाहें, right? Situation is really difficult and you want to reduce the impact or severity of it, there you can use this word mitigate. One good example sentence is, education has the power to mitigate, right? Education has the power to mitigate poverty by providing opportunities for personal and economic growth. So, if you are educated, then what can happen? you can reduce the poverty by getting ample amount of opportunities to change and transform your life. Right. Now let us go to the fifth word. And the fifth word is facilitate. What's the word? Facilitate. Iska judwa bhai, its twin is expedite. Right? What's the word? Expedite. But the main word is facilitate. Now, facilitate का इस्तेमाल आप कहाँ कर सकते हैं? Where exactly you can use this word facilitate? You can use this word when talking about something that makes a process or activity easier or more efficient, such as communication, learning, or trade. ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ जो पूरे प्रोसेस को ईजी कर दे या उसका जो ड्यूरेशन है द ड्यूरेशन को रिड्यूस कर दे. प्रॉब्ली आपको 10 दिन लगे, इस चीज़ का इस्तेमाल करके आप उसको एक दिन में कर दे. राइट? फैसिलिटेट. So, one good example sentence is online learning platforms expedite access to education for people around the world, regardless of their location. So, online education आ गया है, इसके ज़रिए क्या हो गया है? Right? जो पूरा education learning का जो system है, वो reduce हो गया है, वो convenient हो गया है. So, you can use this word facilitate to signify. Friends, using these words with their meanings and synonyms in your IELTS speaking or writing tasks can showcase a strong command of English vocabulary and may help improve your band score, particularly in the lexical resource and coherence and cohesion criteria. Make sure to use them appropriately within the context of your responses. इसको ढंग से सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करिए. Or I'm extremely confident it is surely going to boost your band score. So friends, if you learn something new, then you surely have to drop a like, comment the sentences. It's extremely important, right? Whatever words that we discussed in this video lesson, please make sentences and mention it in the comment section and share the videos with your friends if you really find it useful. And thank you very much for your support. I'll see you pretty soon.